Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Gemini couple photo easy guide. Begin by choosing twin-themed props and a coordinated color palette, then position partners to mirror each other for balanced symmetry. Use soft natural light or a three-point lighting setup to highlight faces and create depth. Direct subtle differences in expression to reflect duality while keeping poses connected. Capture multiple frames, adjust composition, and review shots to refine the twin connection. Start with classic mirrored poses, then introduce subtle interaction to show connection without losing twin symmetry. Frame at 16:9 or square for social platforms, keeping heads near the top third. Use leading lines and negative space to emphasize the pair, and vary focal length between 35 mm and 85 mm for different looks. Communicate brief, clear prompts to keep expressions natural and cohesive throughout the session. Review shots often to tweak small details. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. It really helps. Sharing helps others learn these simple tricks. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to freshen your ride. It pairs humorously with our twin vibe. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider supporting the channel. And now let's get back to the video. Balance warm and cool tones to suggest astrological Gemini duality while keeping skin tones natural. Use a key light and gentle fill to avoid harsh shadows, and add a rim light to separate subjects from background. Experiment with color gels or wardrobe contrast to emphasize two sides, but keep saturation tasteful for print and web. Always check histogram and white balance between shots to maintain consistent color across the set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.